everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of ChatGPT. You will click on settings. You will click here on settings like this. You will enter to apps, default apps, app settings. You will search for ChatGPT and you will click here in this page. You will go to first stop and you will click OK. You will enter to storage. You will click on clear cache. You will go to Play Store. You will search about ChatGPT and you will update your app if you find updates. So please don't forget to press bell icon, subscribe.